Hello and welcome to 236A Attunga Road.
This is a stunning example of a huge family home here in Yowie Bay. It's got a beautifully renovated kitchen, open plan living, and it all looks out to the pool.
Imagine waking up every morning to this view.
You have 6 generous bedrooms, all on the same level. If you don't happen to use them all, you can use a couple to create a new living area.
When you're thinking of bayside living, this is what you want in your backyard. You've got your pool, your level yard, and if you just walk a couple of doors down, you can get access to the Yowie Bay Sailing Club, which means you can jump in the water for an arvo dip.